This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power. Make sure the panel has AC and battery connected so it won't lose settings during reset. Once done, disarm the system and keep your installer or master code handy. Many DSC panels use a 4 or 6-digit code. Now press star and then enter the installer code to access programming. This opens the controller's configuration area. You need it to locate the alarm and reset functions. Make sure the keypad shows programming prompts before moving on. Once in programming, navigate to the alarm memory or trouble log so you can see why the alarm tripped. You want to review stored events. That tells you whether it was a sensor, zone fault, or communication failure. After confirming the cause, choose the clear or reset memory option. Many DSC models require pressing pound or a specific menu key and re-entering your code to confirm. This step removes historic trip flags, so the panel won't stay stuck in alarm status. After clearing memory, exit programming and return the panel to normal mode. Then run a quick system test by walking zones and triggering sensors to ensure everything reports correctly. If a zone remains tripped, open and close the sensor or temporarily bypass it, because unresolved faults prevent arming. If the keypad still shows alarm or trouble, power cycle the system. Remove AC, disconnect battery for 30 seconds, then reconnect. This often forces a clean reboot. If problems persist, contact your installer with fault details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.